Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit an image on Photoroom. So first, you tap on the person or tap on the layer, and then make sure that you already add the image, and then you can just go down to adjust, and then there you can edit the brightness, blend, warmth, contrast, saturation, highlight, shadow, color, opacity, and hair detail. So for example, brightness, you see that I can just adjust, and so once I'm done, I can just tap on the other settings, and then you see you just have to zoom in so it's more clear, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.